Hi there! We know that natural numbers are essentially called counting numbers because they are used for counting. Let's consider the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How do we represent these numbers as a set? Note that while writing a well-defined set, we cannot write it in a disorganized way. There are a lot of defined ways in which we can represent sets. In this video, we will learn three methods, which are the description method, roster or tabular method, and the rule or set builder method. Let's get started with the description method. In this method, a well-defined description of the elements of a set is made. Sometimes the description of elements is enclosed within the curly braces. Observe carefully. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are nothing but the first 5 natural numbers. So, let A be the set of the first 5 natural numbers in the description method can be written as first 5 natural numbers, and it is enclosed within the curly braces. Now let's use the same example for the set and represent it using the next method, that is roster or tabular method. In this method, we write each element inside the braces and use a comma to separate the elements of the set. Here, the set of the first 5 natural numbers is written like this. Notice that each number is separated by a comma and all the elements are enclosed within the curly braces. Lastly, we have the rule or set builder method. In this method, the actual elements of the set are not listed. Rather, a brief rule, statement or formula is written inside a pair of curly braces. Looks confusing? Well, it's not. In simple words, it is the method that lists the rule which defines the common property of the elements present in the set. Therefore, when we take the same set A, the rule applied to the elements of the set will be natural numbers less than 6. Thus, it is represented using the set builder method like this. The colon symbol or a straight line that is placed between two x variables stands for such that. This will be read as A is a set of x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So now we have learned 3 different ways for representing sets in an organized way. Oh, it's time for you to go back to class while I go and do some more research. I'll see you next time. Bye.